Hello guys, I'm Vishal. I'm going to explain you about the problem statement, the solution for our project. There are two major problems which you're trying to solve. The first one is the students applying for various colleges and universities present in the 12th class takes a lot of time for them, which they're wasting it. The second one is third tier universities and digital universities don't even get the same customer base as other universities. And the solution part. We are going to make a platform which will be a one-stop solution for the students. There they can apply for the universities, where they can search about the universities and take information about the universities, and also take reviews directly from the students who are already studying in the university, which would help them a lot because they're getting reviews directly from the student. And how do students waste the time while applying for the universities, right? It happens in four-step process. The first step is deciding what university to apply, what university not to apply. The second step is applying for the university, that application process. And the third step is taking reviews from students who are already present in the university. And third step is confirmation, applying, taking admission in the university. Our customers are students and the universities. And students, high school grads and undergrad students. And in universities, there are third tier universities, second tier universities, and digital universities.
Hi, this is Adarsh, and I was responsible for developing the oneLeague mobile application. Our oneLeague mobile application is supported both on Android and iOS. And we decided to make a mobile application because we thought that various other competitors, our competitors such as Common App and Coalition, which perform respectively in the United States, these competitors have a web platform and not a mobile platform. So this makes it more inaccessible. Plus, let's say if a student had to just track their application or take a small glimpse into their portal, they would have to open up their laptop or their browser and then log into the web platform and then look at and track their applications. In order to reduce this latency or let's say extra work, we decided to make a mobile application where the user can just tap into his app or her app, and they could just look at the progress of their application and where it is. And now I'll be giving you a demo of the mobile application that I have created through Flutter using VS Code. Yes, so let's look at these are the onboarding pages. Here we describe the basic features of the app and what the app provides. Now, once the user has looked into these, he can directly jump to the login page. If the user already has a login page, then he can just log in. Otherwise, they could also register by entering their name, email, and password. For the sake of just showing a demo, I've already created a username and password. So I'll just enter it. Right, now here you can just look at the information that already is here, and you can look at, so this, the top bar is a news carousel slider where you can look at articles and read them. For instance, if I open this article and particular person can read this, um, right, so this is the article and person can read. Once you're done with this, here you can fill in the basic information that is required for each particular form, such as this is the personal information section where you write your first name, last name, and etc. Um, right, so that's pretty much it. So this was the mobile application that we'd built. Now I'd like to introduce Shriyan, who's going to be talking about our web-based application. So he was in charge of our web development of the oneLeague platform. So I'll hand it over to him now.
And I'll be walking you through the web application that we have built for our project. We have built a web application using Flutter. What is Flutter? Flutter is an SDK launched by Google 3 years ago. Its stable release has happened a few months ago. And why Flutter? We have decided to build with Flutter because Flutter has the property of building cross-platform application and gives us a user-active interface output. And due to the following reasons, we have decided to build our application with Flutter. And where did this all start? A few months ago, when I got to know that our semester project circular was given and we had to design a project, we I wanted to build something new with a new kind of software apart from the others and wanted to be different. And so for that, I started searching for the least used software which is quite famous or something new. And then I got to know about Flutter. I always thought that Flutter was used only for building mobile applications but not web applications. And I got to know about it. And the moment I knew it, I was like, yes, this is what I should do. And immediately I started learning Flutter through various online courses. For a month, I was focused on Flutter. I learned the basic things of building a Flutter application, and and after that 1 month, I was I have joined hands with my team and decided to work on building our web application. And so every time we used my teammate Adarsh and I, we used to discuss about the designs, and once we are done with the designs, I used to code it in Flutter and run them. So let me show you a few outputs that we have done with the project. Okay, so this is our sign up page, and as you can see, with basic stuff this cannot be possible, but with Flutter, and which involves only writing few lines of code, and due to its widget based property, I felt it really easy for developing such kind of a user interface. And let me show you our dashboard page too. So this is our dashboard page, and we haven't completed the whole thing, but as you can see, the profile here looks like this. This is how the profile of a user who has enrolled onto our website looks like, and this is what we have developed so far. And I believe that's how we're going to continue in the future once everything is developed.